Welcome to our next topic of sequences and summations. A sequence is going to be an ordered list, which you definitely know what that is, of elements created by a function mapping. We've talked about that part of the integers to a set. And yes, the set is going to reappear in all of this. So again, notice how we're pulling more things together to frankly, have some of the more complicated data structures and discrete structures in our class. The notation's going to look like something like A of n or A of 0, 1, and 2. That's what the notation's going to look like. It's very simple notation, so that's a good part. That's the simplest part of this whole thing. The set is going to look something of this nature. And again, that part's the easy part. There's a lot of much more difficult parts that are coming up here. Now, normally we start off with A at 0 or A sub 0 or however you want to say that. So I'm used to arrays and indices, very similar probably what you're used to. So however you want to name it, fine. But anyway, that's going to be the overall setup when you see your sequence. Now your sequence is just that. It's going to be an entire set that's going to be using some type of function to give you a pattern to that overall set as well. So you'll see a function that's with it. You're going to see a starting or initialized spot that we're going to go from, and then you're going to have that sequence using that same pattern for some type of distance in your first idea of a sequence.